Hello, in this video I will show you how to solve and expand this polynomial equation. So the first step into solving this problem is to take your first number of one side of the equation, one number in the first parentheses, and then multiply it by every single number in the second parentheses. So each of those, and then you're going to write all the numbers down, and then you're going to repeat the process with the second number. So you're going to do it again with the second number, so that means you multiply by each number in the next polynomial, and then finally you repeat it with the third number, and all you're doing is, and then you write down all those values, and then you just combine like terms, and then you'll get your answer. So the first step to solving this is 3, so we'll take our first number, which is 3x squared. So now we have to take 3x squared and multiply it by every single number in the second parentheses. 3x squared times 2x squared is 2 times 3 is 6, so 6x. And when we're multiplying, you have to, if there's exponents, you have to add the exponents. So 3x squared, so 3x squared times 2x squared is 6x to the power of 4, because 2 plus 2 is 4. 3x squared times 5x plus 15x cubed. And then 3x squared times negative 5 minus 15x squared. Now we'll take our second number, minus 5x. So that minus is just applying to the 5. So now you're going to multiply by minus 5x, not just 5x. So minus 5x times 2x squared, minus 10x cubed. Minus 5x times 5x, minus 25x squared. Minus 5x times minus 5, plus 25x. Next, we'll take our last number, which is 6. So now we just multiply 6 times every single number. 6 times 2x squared, plus 12x squared. 6 times 5x, plus 30x. And now 6 times negative 5 minus 30. Now we have our equation, our complete equation for, we've expanded the entire problem. Now all we have to do is simplify by combining like terms. So we'll take our x to the power of 4, 6x to the power of 4. Now we'll look, are there any more numbers that are powered to 4? No, there aren't. So we know that 6x to the power of 4 is going to be our number that remains the same. And remember, you can only add numbers that have the same exponent. So you can't add 6x to the power of 4 plus 15x cubed. It wouldn't work. So you got 6x to the power of 4. And now we've got 15x cubed. So that's our cube. Now, is there anything else to the power of 3? Yeah, so there's negative 10x cubed. And that's it. Now we'll take another one. So our next number that we should look at is x squared. So minus 25x squared, minus 15x squared, and positive 12x squared. Now, our next number that we haven't already underlined is x, just plain x. So we've got positive 25x here and positive 30x. Now our last one will be negative 30, and nothing else is can be combined with negative 30, so that's going to remain the same. Now let's just go ahead and write out our final equation. So we've got 6x squared. So 6x squared, 6x to the power of 4, not squared. 6x to the power of 4 plus, so now we'll add these together. So 15x cubed minus 10x cubed, that brings plus 5x cubed Now we'll take our greens. We've got minus 15x squared, minus 25x squared, plus 12x squared. So minus 15x squared minus 25. So minus 15 minus 25, that would be minus 40. So minus 40x squared plus 12. So if we'll just think about it this way. 40, so we'll take 40 minus 12. And we'll get 28. So 28, and since we had negative 40, that would be negative 28. So let me write this. So minus 28 x squared. Then we have our next we have our yellows, and 25x plus 30x is 55x. So add those. So that would be 55x plus 55x. So plus 55x, and then we have our final number, which is minus 30. Bring that down, minus 30. And that would be all our combined solutions. So our final answer is 6x to the power of 4 plus 5x cubed minus 28x squared plus 55x minus 30. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and be sure to watch out for future videos.